Today we're joined by Paul Hayward from Sperto Consulting to discuss how process automation and AI are transforming business operations. We hear a lot about AI and sometimes can be scary, but looks like in this case can be helpful to business operations. I want to say good morning to Paul. How are you?
Hi, Blake. Hi, Aaron. Nice to speak to you.
Yeah, nice to have you on.
As well.
And you're not AI right now, right? This is really
This
Paul.
is the real Paul?
I promise it's really me. I promise.
All right.
What does Sperto Consulting do, and how do you help clients?
Well, it's easier to say, really. At Sperto Consulting, our mission is to help organizations become more efficient, agile, and also scalable through the smart use of technology, particularly process automation and AI. We take a consultative approach. We think that's important because every organization has different needs. So we begin by understanding their goals, challenges, and also existing systems. From there, we recommend the right tools and strategies, all completely vendor agnostic. That means our advice is guided by what works best for the client, which is really important. And we're not committed by any brand or software affiliation, so we can be completely independent.
All right.
And then do you provide end-to-end implementation support?
Oh, yes, we do. We think that's very important. Our support goes from initial discovery all the way through to post-implementation. We help clients identify the opportunities they need to use for automation, design or select the right systems, and we then customize those tools for their specific process. And then, most important of all, we think, we train their teams on how to use those systems.
All right. That's interesting.
We continue to remain involved with ongoing support. And I think, again, refinement and even further development opportunities are important as and when the business evolves. We offer a full service model designed to deliver what we believe is long-term value.
And with AI being everywhere in the headlines, it can feel a bit vague. How does AI actually contribute to business operations?
That's a fantastic question, Blake, because AI is really often misunderstood. It's considered to be something futuristic or complex. But in reality, it's already playing a practical role in how companies operate every single day. At its core, AI enables systems to learn from data, recognize patterns, and automate their decision-making. When you combine it with automation, it allows businesses to go beyond just speeding up their tasks. It enables them to deliver smarter and more personalized experience with less manual effort involved.
All right. Well, can you give us an example of a client who has successfully used process automation and AI together, actually?
Yeah, that's put me on the spot, I think. But yes, we certainly can. We recently had a client come to us looking to streamline how they engage with new prospects. They were losing time on repetitive onboarding tasks and were not consistently following up on their leads. We helped them to implement a system that automatically captured and qualifies new prospects, then assigns them to the right representative, and triggers a series of automated steps. These from welcome emails and task reminders to AI-driven voice calls that confirm interest and schedule future consultations. A blend of automation and AI then reduced their manual workload, improved their follow-up rates, and increased conversion without needing to expand their team. It's a great example of, we think, of how thoughtful design and the right tools can make a really huge impact.
Well, thank you, Paul. For any of our listeners out there who would like to learn more, where can they find additional information?
Thanks, Blake. And they're always welcome to visit our website on www.spertoconsulting.com and get a little bit more of an insight into our services in more detail. Alternatively, simply call us on 345-749-7005. One of our consultants will be glad to talk through their needs and in turn explore what solutions might be their right fit.
All right.
There you go. SpertoConsulting.com and 749-7005. Thank you.